You can wear a high-end, tailored shirt, but when you stand relaxed, your shoulders roll forward. You instantly look narrower, shorter, and less confident. Most guys try to fix this by stretching their chest in a doorway or constantly reminding themselves to stand up straight. Those efforts fail because they don't address why the bones are shifting in the first place. The true cause is sitting right behind your shoulders. Your upper back and rear deltoid muscles are underdeveloped. When these muscles lack tension, gravity pulls your shoulder blades forward and down. Correcting this requires a specific 5-minute routine that rebuilds that missing tension, pulling your posture back into place whether you train at a gym or your living room. Think of posture as an engineering problem. If the posterior chain lacks the strength to anchor your skeleton, the entire front of your structure will inevitably collapse forward. The first tool in the routine is the face pull. It is frequently skipped in favor of heavier, flashier lifts, but it is the most effective way to target the rear deltoids. To set this up, find a cable machine. Move the pulley to a high position and attach the double rope grip. Pull the rope directly toward your forehead. Keep your elbows high and wide to ensure tension remains on the shoulders rather than the mid-back muscles, which happens if elbows drop. At the peak of the movement, squeeze your shoulder blades together as hard as possible and hold that position for 1 full second. You should feel a localized tightness burning exclusively across the back of your shoulders and the center of your upper back. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Using lighter weight with strict control allows the specific muscles of the shoulder capsule to fully engage. If you move too much weight, your body will naturally recruit your larger back muscles to help. You'll lose the isolation needed to physically pull the shoulders back into a wider frame. Correcting your architecture doesn't require a commercial gym or heavy machinery. You can achieve the same upper back stability using the reverse snow angel. Lie face down flat on the floor. Sweep your arms from your sides all the way up past your head, and then slowly return them to your waist, maintaining tension throughout. To complement this, perform rear delt flies using water bottles or a light dumbbell while leaning forward. Aim for 3 sets of 10 for the snow angels and 3 sets of 12 for the flies. Resist the urge to use momentum. By utilizing gravity and a slow tempo, you can force the rear deltoids to grow just as effectively as you would with a cable stack. A workout only signals your body to change. Actual muscle construction happens away from the gym. Training is just 30% of the solution. Rebuilding back muscles requires hitting a daily target of 1.5 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. This is easily achieved with staples like eggs, paneer, and soy chunks. You also require 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is the exclusive window where your system resets hormones and completes the repair of muscle fibers. Without meeting these metabolic and recovery benchmarks, the physical stress applied during your workout is biologically wasted. The complete protocol is now in place: 1 targeted rear delt exercise, a calculated protein goal, and a fixed sleep schedule. Consistency is the only variable remaining. Within a few weeks, the new muscle tension will naturally anchor your shoulders in their proper position. You will project a noticeably wider, more powerful frame, and your posture will lock into place without you ever having to think about it. You can take the first step right now. Drop to the floor and complete 10 slow reverse snow angels. A powerful frame isn't something you are born with. You architect it through muscle balance and consistent daily habits.